Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I wasn't planning on making this video, but here we are. Chilling in my backyard. It's finally like 60 something degrees and you know, I'm always wearing shorts and chilling with these funky ass flamingo chairs that my mom gave me. I love them, Mom, trust me. But what had happened was a couple days ago I got a flat. My TPM came on, said, hey, you got a flat tire. I pulled over, had nails in it. I'm like, I could plug this, you know. Now, full disclosure, my tires are already down to like 230 seconds. I was waiting till I found the right rims, and that was my goal. Well, fate, we needed tires. So 2 days ago, I tried to plug it, didn't plug, said, F it, go to try to find tires. Tires, due to whether it's scarcity, supply chain, I don't know what the hell it is, Vegas inflation, dude, it was like $1,600 to $1,800 for, we're not talking about like Z-rated high-end crap here, right? The ones I went with were the Michelin Pilot all season. Reason we go all season is even during good weather in Vegas, the roads suck. And if there's oil or anything else, a summer tire just doesn't really cut it in Vegas most of the time. Of course, a plane has to fly over. I'm right in the flight path of McCarran Airport. So that's like a constant fun thing on the south side going to California. Anyways, so Michelin Pilot all season, nice tires. They run about 220 to 250 a tire depending on where you're looking, but then people just exacerbate their fees right now to put things on. So anyways, looked around, searched around, finally found a deal with Discount Tire. This is not a sponsored video or anything, but like just legitimately helping you guys out. Discount Tire, they gave veteran discount. Goodyear's and Michelin's had $80 off right now. So if you're watching this video and it's still like February, it's kind of a killer deal. So I ended up saving, I got everything out the door for less than $1,200 when everybody else was quoting $1,600 plus. And that's balancing. They do free rotations for the life of the tire, flat fixes. So again, not an endorsement, not sponsored, but it's pretty kick-ass. Anyways, I wasn't planning on making a video, and here's some clips of my experience on the way home. You can tell I'm excited because I say bro about 600 times, which is what I do when I'm excited. And it's just a thing. I also not filmed, took some crazy corners, some good acceleration tests under controlled track settings and approved areas by professional driver, if you know what I mean. Handled on rails, not a peep, not a misstep. It's like, it's even better than the OEM Michelins that I had on it because the ones that came with the car were actually summer tires. So highly recommend, if you're looking for tires, consider Discount Tire. And I'm only saying that as a homie, not sponsored. Number two, the Michelins are bomb. The all seasons are bomb. And then number three, if your tires are kind of janky right now, or if you're having performance issues, highly recommend you check out, if you're down to like 330 seconds, just get new tires, bro. It might be the best mod you can get. Anyways, check out some clips. Another damn plane. And I'll see you on the next one. All right, ordinarily, as soon as I accelerate, my car would spin. I was down to 230 seconds, which is like the bare minimum. You got to get new tires or you're bald and you're screwed. My car would spin through 4 to 5 gears. It's a 10-speed. I would spin it through 4 to 5 gears. I'm telling you, the way this thing is now, bro, like, I can slow all the way down. I'll do a rolling, so I'll go down to like second gear here. And not a squeak, bro. Full hookup. Couldn't be happier. Don't mind my rim, it's all scuffed up and needs to be buffed, but I'm actually gonna buy new rims. But these tires actually have a manufacturing date with 324. Now what 324 means is these were made in the third week of 2024. That means around January 21st, 22nd, somewhere in there. It's only February 15th. So these tires were literally rolled off the manufacturing line 3 weeks ago, and now they're on my car. You can't get much better than that. In fact, I've never had anything close to that. I couldn't even wait till I pulled in the garage. I just had to come home and tell you guys about this. The service, I was supposed to get a Monday service because these tires are 19s. I know they're not super uncommon, but you know, supply and demand, inflation, all these things going on, supply line, every excuse in the world. I went online, they said Monday appointment. So I said, I'm gonna do a walk-in. I hit the guy up this morning. He's like, I got you. So I come in, they couldn't get the tires there. Guys like, they're stuck. We're gonna have to figure it out in the afternoon. Dude hits me up at like 12:30, okay? This all went down at like 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. By 12:30, he's like, yeah, your car's ready. What? He's like, yeah, dude, come pick up your car. I couldn't believe it. So I picked it up at like 1 o'clock. Drives so smooth. I forgot what new tires are like. My car is quick anyways. It's got that, it's the Honda Turbo. So it's the 2-liter Sport. I got it chipped. It's already a quick car. It's got the 10-speed F1 transmission. Car already fast. Bro, putting new tires on this thing, it takes like 3/4 of a second off your quarter mile. No squealing, no screeching, nothing. Just rubber to the ground, and it felt like a whole new car again. I'm like all in love with my car all over again. Anyways, appreciate you for watching. I just had to give these guys a shout out, man. It's too crazy. It's too good. They did such a great job. Discount Tire Las Vegas off of Blue Diamond. I'm not sponsored. I will definitely bitch when things are wrong. They took care of it. And the deal, they gave veteran discount. They gave everything I needed. So I couldn't be happier, you guys. These tires are awesome. Great experience. They're going to last a long time because they include the free rotation and everything else. So dope. Check your tires, man. Tires can make all the difference in the world. We forget it because it's such a basic thing. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one.